Last time, I told you native English speakers almost never say very tired. And you believed me, because deep down, you already felt it. Well, I have news for you. They don't say very happy either. And two of the words I'm about to teach you, I promise, you are not expecting them. Stay with me. 5 words, 1 memory trick. And by the end of this video, very happy will feel as flat to you as it sounds to every native speaker who hears it. Let's go. Think about the happiest moment of your life. Maybe it was a phone call with incredible news. Maybe it was a wedding, a birth, a goal you chased for years finally arriving at your door. Were you very happy? No. You were shaking. You were crying. You couldn't stop smiling for a week. Very happy is a postcard. A polite nod. It's what you write in an email to someone you barely know. Thank you for the gift. I am very happy with it. Fine. Correct. Completely lifeless. Here's what you need to understand. In real English, spoken English, human English, happiness has texture. It has levels. It comes in different flavors depending on what caused it and how deep it goes. Very flattens all of that. It takes something that should glow and puts it in a gray box. The 5 words I'm about to give you. Each one carries a specific kind of happiness inside it. A different color, a different weight. Once you learn them, you'll never reach for very happy again. Say each word out loud. Don't just listen. Speak. Your mouth needs to learn this, not just your brain. Word 1, thrilled. I'm absolutely thrilled. Say it. Thrilled. Thrilled is happiness with electricity in it. It's the feeling right before something big happens, or right after. The job offer, the acceptance letter, the yes. She was thrilled to hear she got the promotion. We're thrilled to have you on the team. You'll hear this in professional settings too, which makes it incredibly useful. It sounds warm, genuine, and polished all at once. This is your safest swap for very happy. Learn this one first. Word overjoyed. I'm overjoyed. Notice what's inside that word. Joy. But not just joy. Joy that has gone over the edge. Joy that couldn't be contained. This is the word for big moments. Life moments. When she told me she was pregnant, I was overjoyed. He was overjoyed when his daughter called after 3 years. Very happy could never hold those sentences. Overjoyed can. It has space for tears inside it. That's how big it is. Word 3. Ecstatic. I'm ecstatic. Okay, now we're turning up the volume. Ecstatic is almost too happy to function. It's joy that has become physical. You can't sit still. You can't stop talking. Your face hurts from smiling. The fans were ecstatic when the team won the championship. I just found out I passed. I'm ecstatic. This word has heat. Use it for moments that deserve heat. Word 4. First surprise, chuffed. I'm well chuffed. Wait, what? I know. Stay with me. Chuffed is British English, but it has spread everywhere, and it is one of the most charming, likable words in the entire English language. It means pleased, proud, quietly delighted about something. She was absolutely chuffed when her students won the competition. I have to say, I'm quite chuffed with how this turned out. Here's why you need this word. Not every happy moment is a firework. Some of them are warm and quiet and private. Your cake turned out perfectly. Your child said something kind. You got a small compliment you didn't expect. Those moments don't need ecstatic. They need chuffed. And the moment you use this word with a native English speaker, especially British, Australian, or Irish, their eyes will light up because they will never expect it from you. Word 5. Second surprise on cloud 9. I've been on cloud 9 all day. This one surprises people not because of the word, but because of what it is. It's an idiom, a phrase. And many learners avoid idioms because they feel risky. Don't avoid this one. On cloud 9 is one of the most natural, widely understood expressions for extreme happiness in everyday English. It means you are floating, elevated, so happy you've left the ground. Ever since she said yes, I've been on cloud 9. He passed his driving test on the first try. He's on cloud 9. When you use a natural English idiom correctly, not forced, not performed, but just dropped in casually, something changes. The person you're speaking with looks at you differently. You stop being someone who learned English. You start being someone who speaks it. Last time I gave you one bad day. Today I'm giving you one perfect day. The best day. The day everything goes right. You wake up and check your phone. You got the news you were waiting for. You are thrilled. You call your mother to tell her. She starts crying. You are overjoyed. By lunchtime, your whole friend group is celebrating with you. The energy is incredible. Everyone is ecstatic. Your old teacher sends you a message. She heard the news and she's so proud. You feel quietly, warmly chuffed. And that night, lying in bed, replaying the whole day, you realize you are still, somehow, floating. You are on cloud 9, thrilled, overjoyed, ecstatic, chuffed. On cloud 9, one perfect day, 5 perfect words. Your challenge this week is simple. Think of something good that happened recently, anything, and describe it using one of today's 5 words. Write your sentence in the comments. I will read it. I will reply. One sentence. That's all it takes to make a word yours. Today you learned 5 words that replace very happy and sound the way real humans actually talk. Thrilled, the everyday professional glow. Overjoyed, for the moments that bring tears. Ecstatic, when happiness becomes physical. Chuffed, the quiet, warm British gem. On cloud 9, the idiom that makes you sound truly fluent. Next episode, we're tackling very angry. And I'll warn you now, one of those words is going to make you laugh. Because sometimes the most powerful English word for fury is actually kind of funny. You don't want to miss it. If this helped you, subscribe, because every single week we do exactly this. One small change. Real English, the kind that actually sounds human. I'll see you in the next one.